Hello everyone, this is Sophia from China. Today I'd like to introduce something to DIY a RV for yourself or make truck bodies for your companies. So what materials required to set up the truck bodies? Let me see. First, I'd like to tell you something about the truck bodies. The main materials is sandwich panels. Some manufacturers use steel sandwich panels and someone use more popular materials. It's fiberglass sandwich panels. Maybe you don't know what I am talking about, but you can go on the street and walk around. You can see many truck boxes and express cars which use these materials. Now let me tell you something about details. Today I come here on behalf of Tangshan Runfeng, a company who manufactures FRP sheet about more than 10 years, already 16 years. Now let me introduce the scan of sandwich panels. Please have a brief see. This is the fiberglass. We can make this kind of fiberglass. The thickness is 0.8 millimeters to 3 millimeters. This is the profile 3, the length profiles, and we also have this tab, the blue color, and this tab. You can have see. Between this, most popular is smooth fiberglass sheet. This is the smooth fiberglass sheet. Very straight, right? And talk about the sandwich panels. Let's talk about the core materials. Also, we have many options for core materials. This type is PU panels and laminate with 2 pieces fiberglass. And this core materials is EPS. It's cheaper than the PU, and we also have XPS. Those 3 types core materials both can keep temperatures, keep warm and cold. And compare with these 3 type materials, there is another type called PETCORE materials. This one is better but more expensive because it's more strong than that type. All the material mentioned above used at the wall and the top and rear and front walls of the truck box. For the floor of the truck box, we recommend clients to use the PP honeycomb cores and the plywood. That's all for today, friends, and let's see you tomorrow. Bye.